Hello, in this lab you're going to be working on lab 10.5.11, which is the block source host. So you have a small business network connected to the internet through a single router as shown in the network diagram. You have noticed that 3 hosts on the internet have been flooding your router with unwanted traffic. As a temporary measure, you want to prevent all communication from these 3 hosts until the issue is resolved. In this lab, your task is to create a standard access list 25, add statements to the access list to block traffic from the following host: 199.168.1111.202.177. Okay, so add a statement to allow all other traffic, all other hosts, apply access list 25 to the serial 00 interface to filter incoming traffic. So you can also use identify specific, so that is optional. Remember, this is 10.5.11, and you need to save your changes at the end of the day. So you do not need to save your changes after all of this. Alright, so that is optional. So let's start lab. If this video is too fast for you, remember you can always pause the video and work at your own pace. So we click this and we type in enable, enter config, tab, enter, and then create a standard access list 25 to block traffic from the following host. Okay, so we type in access dash list deny host 199.168.1111. okay, and then deny .177.1.901. okay, access dash list 25 and up access dash list 25 deny host 211.55.67.11. let's see, add a statement to allow traffic from all other hosts. So access dash list 25 deny permits rather any. So access, let's see, apply access list to the serial interface incoming filter. Okay, SG00 IP access dash group 25 in enter, and let's see what else is left. Apply access list 25 to the serial. You can also copy, run, start, enter, okay, so that is it. Remember, if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.